Hey there, in the video today, I'll be showing you how you can embed a chatbot into your Articulate Storyline and Articulate Rise courses. Over the past couple of months, I've been receiving some questions asking how I embedded a chatbot into an Articulate Storyline project which I created for the show as part of the Learning Conference. In the video today, I'll be showing you how you can achieve this in your own projects. On the screen at the moment, you'll see a project which I've pulled together to illustrate how we'll go about doing this today. And in the lower right-hand corner, you can see a chatbot is embedded into the experience. If the learner clicks on the chatbot, they can begin interacting with the chatbot and finding out some information, or they can continue throughout the course itself. The unique approach of embedding it into the source code of the Articulate Storyline project is that the chatbot will remain visible the entire time. So a learner can begin asking the chatbot specific information, close out, continue to engage in the course, and then return back to the chatbot the same way as they previously clicked on it earlier on. Another way you may choose to embed your chatbots into your Articulate Storyline projects is by using a web object. So in the example here, if I click on the Make an Order button, we now have a web object showing the chatbot. Depending on your chatbot and the experience that the learner is viewing, it will have a bit of a scroll experience. So I would recommend embedding the chatbot directly into the code, and that's what I'll show you today. Before we continue on, I'll just take a moment to show you the chatbot itself. So I've built this in an application called landbot.io. They do have a free version, and of course they have subscription versions. If you subscribe, you can, depending on your subscription, you can link your chatbot to your Google Sheets account to retrieve specific information from a Google Sheet. You can also change the design and the theming of your chatbot and remove any branding associated with landbot.io. So once you've gone ahead and made your chatbot, you'll want to jump into the Share settings. In the example I'm showing you today, I have used the live chat display. And you may have noticed when we originally first jumped into the project, there was a little speech bubble that popped up out of the chatbot. In Landbot, that is referred to as a proactive message. This is a great way to get your learners to click on the chatbot and understand what the speech bubble is, and also to stimulate some sense of curiosity. So I've just clicked on that to turn that on, and we'll just go ahead and type in some information. So the first message I want the learner to see is, are you ready to order your burgers? And we'll change the brand to the branding of this project, which is Sunset Burgers. And if you have a logo, you can upload your logo, you can retrieve one from a URL, but in this example, I'm just going to find a GIF of a burger. Let's go with this dancing burger, so we'll pop that in. And the final part is adding a delay on when the proactive message displays to the learner. So for this example, I'll just put 5 seconds. And once you've made those changes, you'll get this code, which you can copy and embed into your Articulate Storyline course. So we'll just copy that. Okay, so now that you've made those changes to the proactive message and you're ready to go, you'll then want to export your Articulate Storyline project. So go ahead and export your Articulate Storyline project. You'll then want to open up your code editor In the example today, I'm using a tool called Brackets, and I prefer to use Brackets as you can live preview the code without having to upload it onto the internet. So now we've got our story.html file open. You want to look through the code and find the opening body tag. So here I have the opening body tag, and I'll just enter in some new lines to create some gaps for myself. And we'll just paste in the code from Landbot. All you want to do is hit save, and then you can hit this live preview button up the top. So if I hit that and jump into our live preview, here we have our Articulate Storyline course with the chatbot in the lower right hand corner. And you can see the proactive message has popped up asking, are you ready to order your burgers? If we click on that, it then opens up the chatbot. And in this example, we could browse the menu and get some great inspiration for burgers. Now, if you are looking at doing this in Articulate Rise, it's exactly the same approach. So you want to grab your code out of Landbot, open up the index.html file in your code editor, look for the opening body tag, paste in the script from Landbot, and then hit preview. And again, down in the bottom right hand corner, you can see the chatbot. Again, if I click Start Learning and begin engaging with this course, the chatbot remains there. I can close out, navigate throughout the course, and return back to the chatbot at any point in time. Well, I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.